This is the one video, if you're into French manicures, you don't want to miss out on. $1.23 and at home. Ladies, let's get this beauty started. Ladies, I am so excited to share my French tip, my secret to getting the perfect smile lines. Literally, this is like, you'll never do a French manicure the same again. Never. So let me tell you what I was doing, because a lot of you ask about my nail polish colors in my videos. So I was doing gel manicures, and then my hands were always in water. So my nails were always getting a little bit, softer, and the gel was lifting. So I moved on to dip last March of 2019. And I loved it. I loved that it just lasted forever. They made my nails so strong, But then I just got, at the end of 2019, I was like, oh, I'm so annoyed sitting here for an hour and 15 minutes. I don't like the drill situation. I always brought all my own stuff, so that wasn't an issue. It was just the point of just the time, and I didn't like the fact I had to keep it for 2 weeks. What happens if I wanted to change it in a week? So I wanted more flexibility. So in 2020, I thought, I just want to be natural. I just don't want to do anything. I want to change my nail polish color the way I want to, when I want to, how I want to, etc. So I started going through my little stash of I have a little bin of just all different nail products. And I forgot that I had my French Wrap Plus. Now I found these at Ulta. It was a different brand. I found these at Sally's. Now, this is the only caveat right now, is that they only have the thick ones, not the thin. Don't ask me why. I don't know why they stopped doing the thin, which is the ones you want, but you can do a little research and find some on Amazon, or they're out there, don't worry. So I have a bunch of these. There's 13, you're gonna die, 13 different the sizes for your tips of your nails. And I always put the numbers. I was tired of guessing every time I would go and do this. So I put like my left hand, my right hand, I have a little cheat sheet, but this is the best time saver. You have a wedding, you have a date, you want to get your nails done, you just want to up level. You want to look down when you're doing, typing on the computer and say, oh, I love what my nails look like. So I'm going to take you through the process and the products that I use. This is so ridiculously simple, ladies. And this cost me, so you get 140 nails in here. Obviously you use 10, and it costs $1.23 every time you do this. Ridiculous, right? So here are the products that I use that I find look so beautiful, so just very classic. If you like a neutral nail, I don't care what they say about French nails either, ladies. Oh, it's out of date. Oh, it's dated, this and that. It'll never be dated for me. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. I will wear it forever. I do change it up. As you see, I love reds and I love pinks, but I was using the OPI this time, the Infinite Shine. This is a primer, but I also do use this, I think it's called Sachet Blvd. This is a gel type of top coat, but I'll use it for the bottom coat too. So you can use just one product. It's an instant gel effect top coat. I do like this. I recently got it at Sally's. I do like it a lot, but for this demo purpose, I did use first the primer, the OPI Infinite Shine. That was my first one. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick out the right size of your tip for the French tip. So like, for instance, let's just do like the first finger. You'll pick it out, you'll figure out what number you are, and then you're going to take it on your finger and you're going to place it there to see if it fits like perfectly on your nail. Now, if it's a little bit longer, that's fine. You're going to basically file it anyway, so don't worry about that. So you're going to just see if it fits. You can see there's a little clear plastic over your nice white French smile line. And I put the glue, I use this, I got it at Sally's also, the IBD. Very easy because it has a brush, 5-second dry time. I like the brush. I don't want to squeeze anything out. It scares me to squeeze glue. So I use the brush to apply it to the top of my finger, just the tip. I'll put it, and I make sure I don't get too much on the sides. You do not want this glue spreading to your skin when you press down on the little French tip. So I'll do that on my finger. I sometimes will put it on the actual tip too, but I find it gets too slippery. So I just put the glue on the tip of my nail. Then you press down, I hold it for about 10, 15 seconds, press it, roll my finger over the actual nail, make sure the whole nail has it, is getting nicely adhered to. And then all I do is just press off the clear tip. I mean, seriously, did you see that? Should we rewind it? It is so easy, ladies. You have a perfect smile line. You'll just have a little bit of that white from the little tab where it came off. Take the file and just file it down. So you're gonna just file it down nice and easy. Now this is the real secret though. The secret is that you're going to use a buffer. I have the yellow one that's not as grainy, and I have a white one that's a little bit more of a grainy kind of buffer. Get both at Sally's. So I like to buff it down so it is nice and smooth. Like the white tip is actually part of my nail. Nice and smooth, no ridges, no lifting, no nothing. So I'll just use that file or the buffer and I'll keep going. I'll sometimes use the file on the sides so I can get it really nice and flat. I don't want anything lifting because I want the longevity of these to last me at least a week, 10 days. So that's what I'll do with that. And you can see when I have them all on, and you just tab them off. Like I'll put them all on one hand at one time so they have extra drying time, and then I'll just tab them all off. It is so easy. And then just again, file, and then I'll put on a, the Bond, the primer. It just kind of dehydrates the nail a little bit. So if there's anything on my nails, I'll take it off. And then I will go in with my favorite combo is the Deborah Lippmann Like a Virgin. This gives you a beautiful, just sheer white look. It's very natural, just enough. It's a little cloudy, just looks so pretty on. I like this more than I do a pink. So I use the Like a Virgin from Deborah Lippmann. I'll do one coat. Sometimes you can do 2 coats depending on the look you want. And then I'll take the Sachet Vivi and I'll put that over. Beautiful, glossy look, and it stays like that. So, so pretty. So you can see what my nails look like before. They were, they're short and they're definitely healthy now that I've taken off everything. And I love that these don't cover the whole nail, and you can see what they look like after. I mean, what a transformation, and literally still like minutes, ladies. This is not a long process. I love it. Then just to kind of give my nails the extra boost, I'll do the Instant Dry Oil from Essie. This is a great little dry oil just to hydrate, since I'm using acetone to take off my nail polish. I do, you can use regular nail polish remover, but I like it to be faster, so I use acetone. And then I'll put the little oil around my cuticles, rub it in, and then I love using the Caudalie. It smells so beautiful. This is a beautiful hand cream that I'll use afterwards. It's not greasy, it's not sticky, just so, so pretty. And it kind of like gives, it's like my whole little hand treatment and my little French kind of arsenal here. So this is how you get gorgeous nails in literally minutes, and the cost is such a joke. I mean, it is so easy. I love the fact that you can go on the road with this. You can carry, a couple of them, if you have ones that kind of, maybe snag, or if you're really busy with your hands, you do a lot of dishes, what have you. Of course, wear gloves, but you are going to be so thrilled. I want to hear in the comments if you've tried something like this before, if you know of anything else that we could try that like saves us time, saves us money. I just am so thrilled to share my French manicure secret with you because it makes me so happy. Until my next video, I'll see you later.